All right guys, today we're gonna be showing you a little bit of live action that we just finished up on this 2017 Ford Super Duty. This is the Feynlab Industrial Coating. Check this out. All right, so when we received this truck, the owner brought it to us, and this was actually his work truck. There's 142,000 miles on this truck. Had it brand new, put all those miles going from job site to job site. And when he decided that he wanted a new truck, couldn't make up his mind, he decided to start doing a few upfits to this truck. Now, this truck had been on, like I said, a few job sites. The bottom of it was actually very, very clean. However, we spent a pretty comprehensive amount of time dry ice cleaning the entire chassis. So we did the full underbody of this truck prior to the suspension even going on. What that allowed us is a really nice clean surface to preserve all the factory finishes, make sure all of our chalk marks, even our stickers were all still in place without altering the originality of this truck. Now, what's really awesome is there's been no paint work, there's no touch work done on this truck. We've literally taken our dry ice machines, cleaned everything on this truck, and then we've sprayed the Feynlab Industrial Ceramic Coating over everything from our shocks, control arms, all the way through. We even did the exhaust in this product. This product's really, really functional. It's heat resistant, flash point up to 2,500 degrees. If you get this thing dirty, who cares? Run it through a car wash. This finish is going to look the same for years and years to come. This truck should be able to clock another 143,000 miles and look exactly as it does today. Now, if you guys have watched our videos in the past, you'll notice that we do a lot of undercoatings, a lot of different painted solutions, and we offer a lot of different services. So if you're interested in having your vehicle done, please do reach out. Consults are free. We can find the best package, best coating solution for you. However, on this F-250, there's been nothing done to it. So we've just dry ice cleaned all of these finishes that you're gonna see under here. This is all as it left from the factory in 2017 from Ford. When you look at the chassis, all of these lines, everything is as exactly as it was when it left the factory. There's been no paint work on this vehicle. Now, this specific example has had a lot of upgrades from the suspension, the wheels, tires. We even have ARP studs here on the real bead locks, which is pretty rad. However, if you're a company that's in landscaping or any type of service industry where you have a lot of fleet vehicles, more than welcome to also bring them here to Merritt, and we can preserve as they are currently today, whether that's brand new, whether they're 5 years old or 10 years old. Those vehicles with our protective coatings are going to have a better wear resistance. They're going to be able to be maintained much longer. And then when you go to trade them in, they're gonna have the same fit and finish, which is also gonna hopefully yield you a few more dollars in your pocket. So don't think that this is just a custom application and that you're out of the game. We've done brand new 4Runners, we've done trucks, we've done Bobcats, tractors, side-by-sides, anything that you have that you want a nice, clear presentation. The ceramic by Feynlab Industrial Coating, hands down the way to go.